Let's dive into this essential guide featuring 100 travel life hacks that every traveler needs. 100. Enjoy the moment. Be present. Remember, not everything will go as planned, and that's okay. The most important thing is to enjoy the journey. 99. Sentimental items. Leave at home. It's best to leave sentimental or irreplaceable items at home to avoid the risk of losing them. 98. Create a travel playlist. Music sets the tone for any journey. Create a travel playlist to accompany your various moods and experiences. 96. Accessibility apps. If you have special accessibility needs, apps like Access Earth can provide information on accessible venues and transport. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel hacks.